It's a little after 7. I got everything down here to my boat. Getting ready to load it all up. Camp was up there. It's all cleared. I might make one more walk up there just to do the police the area one more time. So next stop, there's a point up there about 3 miles away, I believe, in the cove a little bit, the Tobacco Gardens. I'm tuckered out. I am. Slept all right last night. But yeah, it'd be nice to have a day where I just decompress, get a nap in, get a good night's sleep, a shower. Just got done having a good laugh with myself. I saw a fish jump right in front of me. I swore it was a dolphin. It took about 3 seconds, 5 seconds for it to click in my head that it was a paddlefish, because it had a pronounced dorsal fin, something out the front of its face, and it had that gray color to it. It just gave me a good laugh. I was like, I just saw a dolphin. And then it clicked in my head it was a paddlefish. Had to be a good 30, 40 pounds. It was pretty cool looking. But yeah, it gave me a good laugh. So I think just up there is the cove where I'm going for the day. I definitely need a rest. But I think it's 15 days since I've been in Great Falls. So yeah, it's due time for take a day off. I guess I'd figured I'd be catching them by weather days here and there, kind of forced days off, but I guess it's okay. It's okay to take one. You know, I think I need to be kinder to myself. Things are okay. Just have a trip. I got plenty of time. Well, I'm calling it a day. Tobacco Gardens. I'm gonna drag my boat up there and get situated, clean up some R&R today. I'm showered. I've ate. I had a hot meal this morning at about where I'm at and what I'm talking about. Peggy here at Tobacco Gardens is a saint. She's got this little bunkhouse, a bed here, a bed back there, set up for paddlers when they come through. It is above and beyond what we need, and it's amazing. We're gonna eat dinner tonight at 7. She helped me with a little resupply, some Pop-Tarts, jelly, and some tortillas. I mean, it's just great. And I needed this day. I've got a little nap in, but I think I'm gonna just lay down and get another one in here. You know, something I struggle with is just taking from people when they want to give. Yeah, it's been hard for me even just to say, yeah, cool. Oh, give me that meal for free. Take me that. And she's a saint. She just helps out. It's amazing. And so being able to accept things is something that I think people need to work on more, and myself included. Me, I'm probably worse than most with it. But accepting help is something that I don't like to do unless I need to ask for it. And I don't feel like right now I'm in a place where I have to have it. But boy, maybe I do, because this rest is amazing. All right, it's mid-morning, Friday the 27th. I left Tobacco Gardens about 10:30. Peggy, all I gotta say is she is a saint. She's a saint. The rest was great. Yep, so I'm on big water the next, I don't know, 4 to 5 days, getting across Lake Sakakawea, and then the next big lake will be Oahe, however you say it. There's a few people out fishing today. They're not sharp waves, but they're decent rollers. Wind's not too bad. It appears like the rain is gonna miss where I'm at right now. The wind died down. I was actually I think I might have been getting seasick. I know my stomach was upset and I wasn't feeling too well. I kind of even got a little closer to shore in case I needed to pull over for a while when the wind was really going. But yeah, it was just kind of beating me down. Nothing crazy. They were big waves coming over and getting my feet wet, making it all the way up that far. Nothing where I felt unsafe. I guess that's a good measure of it, and that's how I do like to measure it. That's one way. I hadn't moved very far with that wind going, but that is the only way to get done with a big lake. It doesn't matter how you do it. You got to get the miles done. If you're going to burn a day and you could have got 15 miles and it's a tough 15 miles, it's 15 miles farther than you were yesterday. And it's 15 miles closer to the end. So if you do get the grace of a good weather and you're able to push all the way through on the next day or whenever, I know I can't on this lake where I'm at right now, but yeah, you just take it when you can, right? Do what you can with what you have where you're at. $14.89. So I only got like 21, 22, 23, somewhere right in there miles today. Boy, this morning the weather was kind of windy. And then boy, after lunch, it really, about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock maybe, it really calmed down. I gave you that update. And tonight it's just glass. Little small waves. It's just awesome out there. I pulled off with about an hour to go before sundown. Made camp, enjoyed myself, started eating. Just had a good moment. You know, I was sitting back, eating a tortilla, peanut butter and jelly, eating a little sausage stick, and I was just taking this all in, just how awesome this is. You know, sometimes it does suck, yes. But, you know, that makes the fun days a little bit better. And I was just taking this all in. I've traveled quite a ways, and there's more to come. I thought maybe I should have kept going because this weather on this lake could be just brutal tomorrow. I know in the next couple days there is a day with 22, 23 mile an hour winds. I think it might even said gusts to 30. I was just like, nah, just stop. And as I was sitting here, I was glad I didn't, because I just was taking it all in and it was awesome. You know, I'm fortunate that I'm able-bodied to do this. I'm fortunate that, you know, I got a job where I can do these adventures now. I'm thankful for that. I got a family that helped me get out here. How awesome is this? Who gets to do this? Today was one of those days where I didn't even get a lot of miles today. It's just, I'm on a just giant lake, so there's no current. But then at the end of the day, it was just like, this is freaking awesome. I don't know, an hour before I stopped, there was a family fishing in a boat, and I gave them their distance, and they had a young daughter in the boat, and she came over and goes, "Are you camping?" I'm like, "Yeah," and we just had a friendly talk, and then the dad chimed in because he just thought it was crazy, this trip, and it was a fun conversation for the 2 minutes we were passing. Hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy tomorrow.